Welcome. I'm Samurai Killer, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this butterfly knife out of Lego. It is made out of three main parts: the two parts of the handle and the blade. I'm gonna start with the handle. The handle has three plates, which are a 2x4 on top, and one of these 2x2 slopes. Right below that, there is a 2x10, and right here you put the slope. Then you can put your three plates right on top, so it should look like this. Flip it over, and underneath you will want a 1x2 plate or two 1x1 plates, and put them right here. And then you're gonna want two of these hinge pieces, which are like this, on each side, so it will be like this. Right below it, you will want a 14x2 plate on the bottom. Then it's another 10x10 plate right here. A 1x2 right next to it. And right on the hinges, you will want to put two of those 1x2 plates. Right where there's the gap in between this plate and the hinges, you're going to want to put one more hinge. Right here, you're going to want to put a 12x12 plate. And then, to finish off the blade, a backwards 2x2 slope. That's the blade done. Now, on to the handles. The handles are three parts of it. There are three parts of it: the middle, the bottom, and the top. The middle is the easiest. It is just this twice. The handle is a bunch of 2x2 plates on top, or on bottom, technically, and a backwards 2x2 slope, a 12 by 2 plate, and then a 1x2 plate right in the middle, and any plates can go right here. And then for the other row, any plates, but they have to be flat. That's the bottom, and you're going to want, for the top of it, you're going to want to switch them for the opposite side. The harder part of the handle is the top, which is a 12x2 plate with a weird looking, I guess this is a 2x2, and a by one plate, connecting them with a 6x2 and then a 3x3, and then put any plates you want right on top. Then all you do is put the bottom part on like this, and then add the top. So it should look just like this. And it's just the opposite for the opposite side of the handle. Then to attach it, there should be a gap in between to fit the hinges. Just like this. And now your butterfly knife is done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was a little bit helpful to you. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed.